So lesson 31, page 128. More fun with equations with an added step called parentheses. Equations are good, equations are handy, and all we're doing this time is adding an extra step to them. So let's jump right into this. Here's my equation. And before I solve it, write down these few rules. Rule number 1, eliminate the parentheses. Get rid of them. You don't want them. You need to get rid of them. So please eliminate them. And then we go back to everything else we know. We add like terms on both sides. Both sides. We will eliminate the variable on one side. We will eliminate the constant. And then our fifth step is we will eliminate the coefficient. On one side, I should have said. And then eliminate the coefficient. So we're going to do these problems in 5 simple steps. You knew 4 of them, we just added a step. Okay, you know 2, 3, 4, and 5. Today we're going to add a step number 1. Okay? Because order matters. We can't add like terms until we get everything solved out.
Wait, could you, I didn't get to see it.
They're also in your book.
Oh, yeah. What did I say? Eliminate variable.
I know I wrote really bad. Which number?
3.
Eliminate variable on one side. I was trying to write fast to save time. Okay, you can get these in your book. Let's do these. So we need to eliminate the parentheses, so we need to use the distributive property. So we're going to distribute the 2 to the 3 and the negative b to get 6 minus 2b equals b minus 5. Okay? Then I want to...
Wait. Oh, okay.
Then I want to add like terms on both sides. That's done. I want to eliminate the variable on one side, so I'm going to add 2b on both sides. That's going to be 6 equals 3b minus 5. I need to eliminate the constant on one side, so I'm going to add 5 to both sides. So that's going to give me 11 equals 3b. And then I need to eliminate the variable, so I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides to get 11 thirds equals b. Okay?
What if we subtracted 3 on both sides?
If you did what?
We subtracted 3 on both sides.
If you subtracted b on both sides, now you've got a negative number to deal with. You'll still get the same answer.
It would be
Why would you subtract
6
b on both sides?
minus negative.
You could do minus b on both sides
So it
instead
would
of
be-
adding 2b.
So it would be 6 minus 3b for like on one side, or
Yeah.
You won't change the answer. It does not change the answer.
I know, but I'm just.
So if you do it the way Riley suggested, let's see if I can squeeze this in here. Then you end up with, you start with 6 minus 2b equals b minus 5. Subtract b on both sides. Then you got 6 minus 3b equals negative 5. Then you got negative 3b equals negative 11. And then you're going to divide by 3 on both sides, or negative 3 on both sides, to get b equals 11 thirds. still got the same answer,
Would it be, oh, it would just be positive because they're both negative?
because they're both negative. Okay, so you still will be able to maintain the same answer. All right, but these do get and will get kind of complicated. For example, this one. Okay, again, I want to eliminate the parentheses. So my 12 will stay the same, but now I got a negative sign. So that's minus 2x minus 5. Because I multiplied by negative 1 on both of those terms. Okay? Equals negative 2 plus x minus 3. Nothing changed in my other one. I eliminate the parentheses. They're gone. Combine like terms. Negative 2x over here, and 12 minus 5 is 7, so plus 7 equals x, and then minus 5, because if I add negative 2 and negative 3, I get that. Okay? Right? Then I want to combine, then I want to take care of my variables. So by taking care of my variables, I'm going to add 2x on both sides. I like to keep these positive. I get 7 equals 3x minus 5. Then I'm going to get 3x. I'm going to add 5 on both sides to get 12. 12 equals 3x. I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides. So I end up over here with x equals 12 over 3, which is 4.
Oh.
4. Okay? Easy as that.
Yeah, it is.
I'm going to do one more. Okay, now the hardest one that I'm going to do . And the only reason why it's hard is you got a lot of negatives to keep track of. Remember, when you got a negative sign on the outside like that, it's really got a 1 there. So this is negative 4y, positive 17 when I multiply my negative, right? So multiplying by negative 1, so that's negative 4y plus 17. This, nothing changes in this parenthesis. So I'm going to actually, since I'm eliminating, I'm going to do minus y equals, nothing changes here, 2y minus 1. And then minus minus is plus y. I'm going to combine like terms. Minus 5y plus 17 equals 3y minus 1. Some of you have way too much homework because all you do is mess around, Christy and Joe. Okay, then I am going to move my coefficients to one side. I told you I like to keep these positive. Okay. I'm going to add my 1 to both sides. 18 equals 8y. Then I'm going to divide by 8 on both sides to get 18 over 8, I'm over here now, equals y. I need to reduce 18 over 8 by divided by 2. And that gives me 9 over 4 equals y. The only step I added is we need to get rid of these parentheses. Otherwise, all these things we've been doing. Okay? Everyone but Algebra, go clear off your desks quietly, please. Okay, any questions, algebra? Miranda, you sure? Okay. If not, we can set up a time too.